Zong. Welcome back to the vlog. Ayan. Mag-ano tayo? Mag-swimming. Kaya ang isa, nag-request. Request is your commander. Let's go. Ay, magtiniil ra ko day kay ang akong tiil ba kay murag need og exercise. Isa may gi-electric panan ani diri my lab. So, ay, it's too hot down there. My love, are you sure? Today is our last day here. We're going back to Ubud. And then after that, we're gonna be roaming around. My love, is hot down below. Mainit man sa baba, day. Akala ni Dudong ano oh. My love, it's hot. You see?
Huh? What?
It's hot down below.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Hello! Hi! What are you doing there? Huh? What are you doing? Hmm? Dito lagi ka nag-atong. Ano man, ha? Why are you staying in there? Agoy, kadiha. Pupuru pupu. Pupupuru. So, let's go. Check out na siguro sila, day. Punta na tayo sa baba, mga Zai and Zong. And then, hopefully na, ay, may shadow doon sa baba, no? Hi, I'm finally tapos na ako sa aking mission accomplished. Mga kailangan kong gawin. May ano na lang, limang mga bagay na kailangan kong tapusin, and then I'm ready to not thinking. Charis. Ready na ka nga di mag-thinking, day. Ay, daming kailangan trabahuin, day, oy. Shadan, kahapon super ganda ng weather. Ngayon cloudy na. Dito tayo. Kasi walang sunny. Sunny side up. Wait sa ha. I have to take this out. Kailangan ko tong tanggalin. Tapos lagyan ko nito. Kay ito yung nagtatakip dito. Hala. I think it's time to ano na. It's time to change na, day. Kay nagkuan na siya. Padulong na siya matanggal. Are you ready?
No shit.
Just use your hat for being a shadow. Tapos lagyan ko nito. Ito yung sa ano, ito yung sa food. Food Fanda, charis. Naday, uuwi tayo sa Pilipinas. Tapos, mag-beach tayo, day. Kailangan nating bumili ng marami ng ganito. Kay, makuan
Can we
dyan.
get more tight?
Be careful na. My love, wait. It's.
Oh. Nah, forget it.
What did you do?
You already started this.
Ang ano lang niya siya day. Uy, super soft niya. Tabang dong. His wife is live. Pag mabasa, manggod siya. Dapat may clip dito, oh.
Yeah.
Yes, Nicops. My swimming, give me guy. So kayo, dito lang kayo ha. Ayaw pa doon diha my love kay malagsikan na is not waterproof na ba?
Is it following me?
Yeah, it's following me. But this one is not waterproof.
I want to follow you also.
You go first there. You go first. Down there. You go down there. What happened? This t-shirt.
Yeah, I can't.
No, there's something in it.
What?
I think it's in the wrong. The sun is. No, it doesn't. No, I don't think it can pick up. The head is still. Then, bubutang tripod. It should be in the tripod.
Oh, fine.
It's fine. You cannot track my face now. Can you still track me? Oh yeah. No, he's not following me. He can't see me.
It's not working. You should.
If it's too far away.
It shouldn't matter. So you're out this way, not this way.
Now. You cannot keep up if it's too far away.
No, it should still work. Or you have to set the distance.
No, maybe you can't see my face. Wala akong pato. Yeah, you can see me now because I have a glasses. So he can. Di careful na, matuwad ka diri. Okay.
Now, how do I do to make it take a photo?
No, I can just take it in the video.
How do I make take photo?
No, you don't need because
Cannot.
it's not a phone. Hello. Dahil ba?
Go in the pool, in the small pool. You're too far away.
But the sun is in the wrong way.
See how far away we are? Have to be much closer to the camera.
I try to.
That's about.
So, ayan.
Caramba. Mustafa. Deliciosa.
Oh, lagsiki ha. Oh, Milab is not waterproof.
Put your feet near the camera. And
How can you agay? Ano ba?
you agree? Agree.
It's tracking your face now. You move your head. Now it's tracking you. You have to go.
I have to go swim.
So, ayan na mga inday, nag-enjoy kami nitong patracking-tracking, day. First time namin to siyang ginamit. Maganda pala siya, day. Kasi magpapalo talaga. Maganda siya pag nasa malayo ka talaga kasi susunod talaga siya sa'yo. Ang isa, oh. Come back.
So I go up.
Ayan. I'm finally done of you. Ah, I'm so happy. Can you? So, ayan mga Zai and Zong. Katatapos lang naming nag-swimming. And then, mag-ano ako, day? Order ako ng drinks. Ito na yung ano ko. Ay. And today is our last day! Magtapis lang ko kay lalaki kasi yung nandun ba. Mahiya ako, Zay. So, mag-order lang ako ng vanilla shake with ice cream vanilla shake. So, antayin ko lang ito siya na maugad, day. So, nabasa kasi siya kahit naglagay na ako ng ano, day. Kahit naglagay na ako ng anong tawag nito? Plastic, 'di ba? Mabasa gihapon siya. So, walay na walay. Hello. Hello. Uy, hadlok man ni diri nagmap. Can I order vanilla milkshake?
Vanilla milkshake. Yeah.
With ice cream.
One, yeah.
Yeah, only one. Thank you. So, map si ate. Ayun, kami lang dito sa swimming pool. Kasi kahapon, ang daming nag-swimming dito. Ang ganda kasi ng weather. And kitang-kita si Agong. Mayroon pala sila dun sa baba din, oh. Ay, yung isa. May shower din doon, oh. It's very unique shower.
And then three small beings came and took me out of the car and floated me into the craft.
Okay, three small beings look, and what do they look like?
Hello! Labas na naman tayo mga Zay. Ayan, ito yung OOTD natin for today's video. OOTD for today. Walay sabong, day. Dahil coconut may labong. Is there a mango? Ah, yeah, is this a mango? So, mag-coffee kami. Tapos mag-lunch ako. Kasi, it's my medication time. Umulan kanina, sobrang lakas. Tapos ako nakatulog ako saglit. Charis. Charis. Charis, charis. Diba? Charis? Diba charis? Ang daming flower. Hello. Salamat siyang. Salamat siyang daw, my love. Salamat siyang. Gunit lagi ka. Why you hold my hands?
Because I love you.
What do you mean you love me? What?
It's too hot.
Rice, mga Zay. Kain tayo. Ayan na yung order ko, curry. Nahug yung cellphone. And the view down there, nag-fix sila sa house. So, yes, mga Zay and Zong. Kain, bon appetit. Tignan nyo nga naman yung rice nila, Zay. And then, itong chicken curry, hopefully hindi yan maanghang. Pait sa kape, dahil pait pa sa akong life.
Fish, man. You cut my hair off. Yeah. I should be able to boil an egg here.
Parang kakaiba yung curry nila.
Binsang kecil.
What's that? Hello, mga Zay and Zong. Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. Oh, ayan, oh. May natira pa. Tapos yung rice nga brown rice, hindi ko naubos day. Pero okay lang yan dahil busog na ang tummy. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Mag-ano muna ako kasi ano pa ako ng medicine. Tignan nyo day, kaluoy nila kuya oh. Nag-work too hard man sila kuya. Day, silong-silong! Kuya kay day paspas kay silang trabaho diri day murag mga professional workers. Charis, professional man dyan inday na anin. Unsa day ka? Ano ka ba inday? Professional talaga yan sila. Ano na sila ng swimming pool oh. Ganyan pala magawa ng swimming pool day. Gayahin natin day, gayahin. Charis. Ayan. Then kami lang dito sa restaurant. Tignan nyo. Wala ulan na. Raining is starting. Hi Dada. Hi my love.
Sea lice now I'm on.
I'm on. No, no. Ang daming dahon sa saging. Oh, may mga room din sila dito. Ayun, oh, doon. Nakita nyo. Pero gusto sana ni Dodong dito kasi maganda yung view. Ang nangyayari day, marami man silang pinatayo dito na pinatayo na mga construction. So, wala. Ayun yung mag-check-in dito. Yan, ulan na day. Fresh na kaing hangin. Bukas, mag-check out kami. If uulan, so, mag-stay pa din kami dito. Hala day, daghan. My love, daghan. There's so many things we have to do in Ubud.
Oh,
We have... Ay. Good
nice
morning.
small room.
Day 2. So we are moving, packing, and on the way back to Ubud. And then after that, we're on the way back to there. Hi mga Zai and Zong. Nag-ready lang ang inyong Auntie Kels. And then ang ako ang Google Map. Put the map in my phone. And then this is all our things. Ready. Ilagay ko lang to ditong working phone ko sa loob. Para hindi siya human. Baka mahuman siya o sayo. Pag ilagay ko siya sa bag. So mga Zai and Zong, ready na ang inyong Auntie Kels. Mag-ano ako ngayon, mag-jacket. Baka nakabiran ko yun. Mag-jacket ako ngayon kasi medyo malayo-layo. And then para hindi tayo magkasakit na. Napagalitan ako ni Dongski nung isang araw na hindi ako nag-jacket. Ay, naku. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, we go. Hopefully, hindi siya as in mainit, no? Are you ready, my love? Is this finished now? Do you have some mineral water there? I need to bring some water charger. Slow down. Ayan na guys, let's go to the road. Charis. Let's go to the road. Here my love, there's a hotel here also. Hello. Ay, Ginoo, may love, ayaw ko nung don't stop, ha? This one ba? Honestly, it's nice. But it's a bit too flat.
In 200 meters, turn right.
it's so flat here. Ganda dito guys, oh. Car is coming, ha?
Take the next right.
So we should just come up here last time. Oh. Or there, they have a road. So it's very cool.
I'll just fuck it up here also with all the
Yeah, with all the cable gani. Uy, yawan ako eh. My love, he wanna pass. Let him go
Continue
first.
for 2 kilometers.
Also a new bamboo up there. Wow, hala, nice also there one man lang, oh. It's very cool, ano.
here last time also. But this is really nice view here.
It's very far away to the road, this bamboo villa there.
You're where I belong.